Welcome to the future of container orchestration with Google Kubernetes Engine. Let's embark on a journey to explore the incredible capabilities of GKE. Google Kubernetes Engine is a managed Kubernetes service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications using Kubernetes, the leading container orchestration platform. GKE is designed to handle complex, distributed applications with ease, providing robust features and integrations to enhance your cloud-native journey. Key uses: application deployment, effortlessly deploy and manage containerized applications in a scalable and automated manner. Microservices architecture, orchestrate and manage microservices, ensuring seamless communication and scaling. CI/CD pipelines, integrate with continuous integration and continuous deployment tools to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. Hybrid and multi-cloud environments, manage applications across on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. Do you know that questions about Google Kubernetes Engine are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests, so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. GKE leverages Kubernetes, an open-source container orchestration platform, to manage containerized applications. Kubernetes automates the deployment, scaling, and operations of application containers across clusters of hosts. GKE is versatile and can be applied to various scenarios. Web applications. Host and scale web applications with ease, ensuring high availability and performance. Big data processing. Run big data processing frameworks like Apache Spark and Hadoop on Kubernetes for scalable data analysis. Machine learning. Deploy and manage machine learning models and workflows using Kubernetes. Gaming. Manage and scale gaming servers to handle fluctuating player loads and ensure a seamless gaming experience. Understanding the key components of a GKE cluster is crucial for leveraging its full potential. Nodes, the machines, VMs, or physical servers that run containerized applications. Pods, the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, typically containing one or more containers. Clusters, a collection of nodes managed by Kubernetes. Namespaces, logical partitions within a cluster used for organizing and isolating resources. Services, define how to access pods, providing load balancing and service discovery. Ingress, manage external access to services within the cluster, including load balancing and SSL termination. GKE offers a lot of features to enhance your container orchestration experience. Automated operations, simplified cluster management with automated upgrades, repairs, and scaling. Security, built-in security features including role-based access control, workload identity, and container-native firewall. Monitoring and logging, integrated monitoring and logging with Google Cloud's Operations Suite. Hybrid and multi-cloud support. GKE supports Anthos for hybrid and multi-cloud deployments, providing consistent operations across environments. GKE pricing is based on several factors, including the number of nodes, the type of machines used, and additional features like network and storage usage. Key pricing components: cluster management fee, a flat fee for cluster management, with no additional charge for clusters with fewer than 5 nodes. Node pricing, costs for the compute resources used by the nodes. Additional services, charges for network traffic, load balancing, and persistent storage. For detailed pricing information, it's recommended to use the GCP pricing calculator and review the GKE pricing documentation. Google Kubernetes Engine is a powerful, fully managed Kubernetes service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications. With its robust features, automated operation, embrace GKE and revolutionize your approach to cloud-native application development today. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.